We are going to learn about water, which is our basic need. Okay, without water we cannot live, survive. Okay, so water is very much essential in our day-to-day life. Without water our life will be very dangerous. Okay, so let's learn about water, which is our basic need. Okay, basic need means it's very normal, essential need. Okay, this is the ultimate need. Okay, and we know that all living things need water. See, as we know, no means we understand, we know it very well. Okay, and every living things, it can be uh, plant, animals, human. Okay, it all includes in the living things. Okay, we all need water. We need water for activities like bathing, cooking, washing, cleaning, brushing, etc. Okay, what are the use we do? What are the uses of water? We 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 use water for bathing and for cooking, washing, cleaning, and also for brushing, and many other usages are there. Okay, animals need water for drinking and bathing. Even animals, they also drink and they also take bath. Okay, and plants need water to grow. So what is the use of water for plants? They take water and they grow. Okay, these are the activities we do. We wash our clothes. Okay, we drink the water. We used to take bath with water. Okay, these are the uses of our uses of water in our day-to-day life. Okay, okay, let's learn about some of the uses of water. Uses means, so what are the necessity? Okay, waters are used in, what are the ways we use the water in our lives. Okay, there are many more activities for which we need water. They are, see, we need water for many activities, not only for drinking, washing clothes, bathing, but we need more other activities. We need water in our lives. So what are they? Water helps to digest the food we eat. See, we eat food and it get digested in us. So the water content, so water is the main source that helps the digestion system means when the food goes inside, so the foods have to be crushed down and smashed, and after that it will go to different parts of our body as a nutrition. Okay, different kind of nutrition. It can be salt, it can be sugar, it can be glucose. Okay, and it goes to our body. So this process take place with the help of water. Okay, and it also helps in flushing out the undigested food from our body. See, so once the digestion finished, the wastage of our this food content will come out. Okay, so this water helps to flushing out, means sending out or pushing out of these unwanted, means undigested food content from our body. So this is also very important use of water in our body. Okay, and many plants grow in water. Okay, many animals live in water. Plants need water to make their food. So we see a lot of plants grow in water. There are water plants are there. Okay, aquatic plants. So you can see they grow only in the water, and there are animals that live in the water. It can be sea, river, pond, whatever we can say. Okay, but it lives only in the water. Okay, aquatic animals. Have you seen that? Okay, so these plants need water to make their food, and these are the uses. See, the plants need water to live, and some animals need water to live, and these plants also need water to make their food. Even we need water to make food, right? The same way plants also need water to make their food. Okay, so where do we get this water from? What is the source of water? Okay, let's learn that. We get water from many sources. So the place from where we get the water or anything, that is called the source of the place. Sources. Okay, sources is the place where something is produced. Like, now we are learning about water. So water source is from where the water is produced. Okay, and from where we get the water. These sources can be natural source or man-made sources. So there are two kind of sources are there. One is natural. Natural means, so it is made by God and we get naturally from the nature. This is a gift of nature. Okay, and some man-made sources are there. Water sources are there. Okay, we will learn it in detail. Some natural sources of water are rainwater, waterfall, rivers, streams, lake and pond. Okay, these are the natural water sources. Okay, so from here we get the water. See, this is rainwater. When we feel the rain, or when we have the rainy season, we get lot of water. Okay, so that is also a source of water. And there are some places, waterfalls, water running from the top hills, we get water from there. And there are rivers, we get water. And streams are there. Streams means the water running through the forest and all. Okay, the small level of path. And lake and pond in a small content of water bodies. So these all the sources from where we get the water, natural water sources. Okay, and there are some man-made water sources. They are tape, hand pumps, tube well, tank and dam. These all man-made water sources. Okay, even in our house we have tap water, right? Every morning and evening every day we get the water from the tap. Okay, some people have hand pumps. Have you seen this one? Even our government made arrangements to have these water pumps in every area. We can see it in many areas. Okay, and there are tube wells. Okay, so bore wells, just they will dig the ground and from down they just take out the water through motor or anything. Okay, this is something different. And tank water. So we have this water storage system in our house, even in a big level. In the villages we can see. Dams also we can see in different places. We have, these are man-made sources of water. You got the idea? Okay, we need water in our lives. Okay, and water we get from two sources. One is natural source and another is man-made sources. You got it? Okay, now sources of water. Rain is the main source of water. Okay, the other source of water is the snow on the mountains. The snow melts during the summers and changes into water. Thus the lake, rivers, pond and streams get filled up. And okay, we get water from two main sources. One is rainwater. Okay, this is one of the main source of water. And second one is source of water, we get it from snow mountains. So in the Himalayas we have lot of snow mountains. When the summer comes, the water melts down and come down as a water. Okay, and through that water lot of lakes, rivers and ponds and streams get filled up, and that from there people use water. Okay, some amount of water seeps into the soil and it is stored there. This is called underground water. We dig wells and tube wells to take this water out. So this even during rain and even the snow water, all of them suddenly they directly they don't go to the this river, lake or whatever the areas, but it also get into the soil. Okay, and it is stored up under there. Okay, this is called underground water. Okay, so this water we take it out by bore wells and tube wells. Okay, so we can take out. This is also a main source of water. Okay, and the presence of water in food. Water is also present in the food we eat. Some fruits like watermelon, melon and oranges contain water. Okay, and some vegetables like spinach also contain water. Milk also contains water. Water is present naturally in these food items, and therefore such food is good for our health. Do you eat these fruits in summers? How do you feel? So here we can find lot of food items that has the food content, water content. Okay, and we know that water is present in the food. So what are the water content fruits? We can find some of the fruits like watermelon. In the summer season we eat lot of watermelons, right? Melon, oranges we eat. Okay, these fruits contains lot of water contents in it. Okay, and there are some vegetables like spinach, they have water content in it. So even milk also has water content. Okay, it is not the milk that people mix water in it, but naturally it has water content. Okay, and that's why we take all these fruit and food, so that we get lot of water content in our body. Okay, and water is present naturally in these food, not only in this food, and the food that we eat every day. Okay, that's why we have to take lot of water content in our body, so that it will help our digestion system properly. It can make smooth digestion system. You got it? So this is all about our water, our basic need. Okay.